Well, YouTube, that's an engine. What do you reckon that be? 351 Windsor, 5.8 liter, right? Well, this is 8.S, but it's upside down. Either way, yeah, 351. We can put that in the Mustang. That's not too bad a shape. A little bit crusty, but it's pulled out of a wrecked truck in junkyard and turned over, appeared to run. So we're finding out a way to get that in the Mustang. I'm not quite sure exactly what we're going to do yet. I do know I have an oil pan for it, which will be going on it. I know these exhaust manifolds ain't going to work, and all this emission stuff ain't going to work. Probably have to go with another distributor. Who knows what else. So today, I want to get this thing in the garage. It's been sitting out here almost a year, honestly. So I want to get it in the garage and see. Maybe we can start getting some of this stuff we definitely know we're not going to need, like the exhaust manifolds, the intake, and some of the accessories torn off of it, and go from there. So I think that's what we're going to work on a little bit today. I'm not going to show you all the intricate stuff. I'm just going to get it torn down and, you know, give you a look and maybe get it in the garage. Alright, YouTube, engine is a bit more stripped down. Turns out it's a good thing I brought it in. I started finding some rats were making or mice were making a nest up there. Most likely mice. So we have them around here. So, yeah, it's stripped down. I found my remote oil filter adapter, so that'll mount in place of that Kohler there. And I just run some hoses out. Got the intake off. Got the remaining accessories off. The exhaust manifolds off. And heaved it in here. It was heavy. It was definitely heavy. I'm kind of curious how much oil's still in there, because they poke a hole in the pan and drain the pan. But I'll probably wind up getting a new oil pan I have in place on it. Start mocking some other parts up a while and getting the other parts down and start tripping over things, but and see where it goes. So I think this is going to be about it for today. We'll keep you updated on the Mustang's engine. You know, 351 Windsor, stock 4-cylinder trans. We'll see how that one goes, because that'll probably be the next thing that needs attention. So, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.